Onchumu rigiriria tugusaba kwabira asingencho yoko butoka kwe mitambo kurende tuguchaka kurwase county ya Nyamira umugavana we county y'Omusike Amos Kimuminyaribo nigaberega kuburia abananchi anane kurwase county yo kwesokya sobonge na kwerikia asebima yobobweni ya sha elikwanekya gweguswele bale gurube ekero bakurigyo bokoreri bobochenu asi chinyagitali au gukwana litukulerero nigabereka gatababude serikali ya county ya Nyamira nigo yaberege kubeke mirubelyo ilikwana kibuna omuchando ubwokubura kwa mariogo asi chinyagitali torigo chikogendera kwene kiwa imeye county yumuriketo Fatka Digisemba na robotirwa
Umugabana oyoboye county ya Nyamira Omusike Amos Nyaribo nigo agendereire kubasegeta abantu kwerikya asomoroberio bobobwenia osha aboigo niga kwanire enjira sha erakonye umunyamira anene kinga kijiria akorigia obobwenia
amangana marioga asumbweta abantu naigore a fund gabeka 100 million naendo motinyo taraera komentanda another 200 million igonya gatarte yote bana tebwatiriogo naende koboria abantu baito mucho ni mwense sha kera kwa irwa mariogo form checho riwa sha ya fund chibesecho so tatie fund ya gendera okaraki komentaka
aiga nigo mugabana oyo aenekeria abanyamira buna kesa serikali ye county ya Nyamira yachagetie omoroberio bwokubwatuka erongori ochase aborokiwa ba ECD nigo omubaro omentekanire
ECD abantu brata na arete erongori kwa ko baechaye bamanyeti erongori yenye bwata madini yere beta kubwechaye mwana na arora arete gorbotuko otara agerete Wano ga goche skuro nyora karogori ga kyanienda onya chinguru cyosoma ekyara gete to introduce erongori abanafunzi bange rusarasini wono babere 34,000
ayonse niga yakwana chinga kichomuyega oyomo bwibirero asekenyoro kyamawagwa ime ye bunge ya North Mugirango abwase abarai ao boigo baikirana egati yabo omuengineer Adams Mochenwa oyokorigia oboseneta bwa Nyamira oyo omocha serikali nene asoko genderera kubetereria okwagachwa kwenyumba ya quarantine ane nasoborwire bwa Ebola
serikali tetego force tetoretere quarantine area lila Laikipia unango ninje buno mo senator ngotenenaria as a floor of the house not have Mr. Speaker sir. The quarantine area that is coming to Laikipia, my people of Nyamira have said they are not ready for it. Bona abantu baminto egento nko basoro buno bogimabwa kongire lingana lyo moerio tigato chenje obora lakini onyegora arito bateba one time omorase one time bona ari ase one time urugusiga twanyoro mu muroito ko ku Dr. Fred
ensemo yaye Job Makori nigo aira chinga kyecho na gukwanira uburai bwe bunge ya North Mugirango
na eden tuwe igumbere bacha Omusike gundambu yaborase n'injugo tolerisi nabande ba registre magoso tayo inu karibu lakini tutaite omochokora abekuna Joseph Kiangoi babe buhunda na abande bakorigia bache kuburi oburi mu gosobo
Chinkaki echecho nigo mugabana Nyaribo akwanira enaro yesero anene asemiyega aho
oyogoro kumwenga gagoteba sera abantu bonse ero monyeno yo motoma tatete tibesa begina echicho sera na chichi gabana chichorie tigebe ndobile artificial bwana anyenero ngori anyenecha anyene ndagera ntoacha angete igana boko jao muchobe gukima lakini abari bako na botene na gocha amozwe narageri abantu korwa bakagekonga baka moyo jebweka ya baro bagoja bakaramishe morama mondonde tigarerache osengaki
Kingo reporter Gatembe kuroiga magwagwa ije gutoka meye bunge ya North Mugirango county ya Nyamira Fatka Digisemba
Mbiamana sana umuriketo Fatgad Gesemba togo tigana na yona gosuka bosio kubwatekana negekore asomwe MCA we ward ya Ichunio muske Wycliffe Siocha abeteka gusaganwa aburi tukoregoro amona abantu batamanyikaniti nigo bono hegati ya barayi kurwase county ya Kisii besokiri na kugikeria egekore kwe asababere bakuburia abo bisa kokorobotuki asobwango elikoene kibuna bali babete bagwikirania egekore kyo nkoimukiri kwa bale egetamukiro egetindikieri chiko ukona kurwa ase county ya Kisii nigo babere bagotababuna nigo abarayi bonsi babwato bosibole bogotenena kusogokora siasa cyabo gwochererwa kondu wansu gotayo ase babeire bakugikeria egekore kiboigo na kuburia bali bonsi babete bagwikirania egekore kyo bayimukerigwe egetambukire egetindikieri chiko asobwango mono.
The PS Interior has allowed the insecurity happening in Kisii. Last year, December, County Assembly MCAs were attacked, their vehicles were vandalized. We wrote an official complaint to the PS Interior, the Inspector General of Police, to the Senate, but there has been no response. I want to address the PS Interior in this manner. Since the PS Interior has allowed the insecurity in Kisii, I want to tell the PS Interior that, as my brothers have said, the people of Kisii are very peaceful people.
Jana Mheshimiwa Mbande ambaye sahii yako hospitali anatibiwa alitolewa katika kamati zote za bunge. Hiyo inamaanisha kwamba yeye hatapata hata shilingi moja kama mshahara na amepewa kazi na watu wa Ichuni, ambayo inauma sana sisi kama viongozi, na umechaguliwa na unaendewa na mambo ambayo hata ileti maana. Hiyo haijatosha, wale ambao wamemtesa hivyo hawajahurumia watoto. Huyu ni mheshimiwa wako na watoto wadogo, watoto wachanga, wamemwendea na wamemdunga fizu. Sisi tunataka kuomba serikali ya Kenya, it is the ultimate duty of the government of the day to give the people of Kenya the security that they deserve. As all of you know, I'm also suspended because of just political reasons, because of political differences.
Tungetaka kurahani hii kitendo kwa sababu again si kitendo ya kwanza. Hii ni kitendo ambaye imejirudia. Wameshambulia watu wengi wetu MCAs, hakuna mtu ambaye anakaa kwa usalama. Tumepeana masaa 12 kwa serikali kwa sababu wale vijana wote ambaye walifanya hii kitendo wanajulikana. Aurisha County Commissioner, Police Commander, County Shade Officer wasike hawa vijana siku ya leo kwa masaa 12 kutoka sasa. Sisi kama watu wa one term, sisi tunataka usalama. Sisi tunataka serikali, because the primary and the cardinal responsibility of any government is to take care of its citizens. Sheria ndio tumesema ya kwamba kila wakati tufuate sheria. Kwa hivyo tunauliza serikali, County Commissioner na serikali kuu, kila mmoja, County Commissioner, tunauliza County Commander na wote hawa vijana kufika jioni leo wawe wamepelekwa ndani, kufika kesho Monday tusikie kwamba wako kotini.
Togo tigana nayo abananchi korwase wodi ya Masimba imeye bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba nigo babere bagwesokia na kuboria MCA obo umuske Boss Mairura anyareko bagakwiranirwa ebunge limuryoka neye magega yere kurusugwa ase bunge ase gika kimetienyi 10 ase babere bagote babuna nigere maminchane lichiko no kurusugwa ko nigo kwabete kogoswananwa hamona siasa eyere nyingi gukwana litikolia rero nigo babere bagote babuna nigere biya umuske Boss Mairura anyareko bagakwiranirwa ebunge elio anyareko bagagokwanera abananchi kurwa asensemeyo.
We, the residents of Nyaribari Masaba, together with the concerned members of Masimba Ward, wish to formally address the nation regarding the continued suspension and the treatment of our elected member of County Assembly, Honorable Boss Mairura. We note with serious concern the recent suspension of Honorable Boss Mairura from the County Assembly for six months, a decision that has effectively denied the Masimba Ward and the Nyaribari Masaba their full and uninterrupted representation. Since 2022, Honorable Bose Mairora has, according to the community concerned, faced sustained intimidation, denial of rights and privileges, and political interference in the execution of his mandate as our elected representative. This development have deeply alarmed the electorate. In 2023, he was previously suspended for 4 months, a matter which was challenged in court. The court later ruled that the process leading to that suspension was unlawful and illegal. We further note with grave concern allegations and widespread belief within the community that there has been political influence and interference by the office of the governor in matters affecting the MCA, which has contributed to the escalating tension and repeated disciplinary actions. Additionally, we wish to state that the MCA has reportedly been receiving threats and acts of intimidation, which have created fear and undermined his ability to effectively discharge his duties. As residents, we emphasize that these actions, whether administrative or political influence,
for immediate reinstatement of Honorable Bose Mairora to the County Assembly within the next 48 hours to ensure the people of Masimba Ward are not deprived of their representation. Failure to comply with this demand will leave the residents of Nyaribari Masaba, particularly those from Masimba Ward, with no option but to move to court and seek legal redress for denial of representation and violation of democratic rights.
Nechingaki riberera ria gisiasa rigendrete koine kigwa ase chinsemo ao ase boiga baraiba gendrete gukwanira siasa yo murembe na gukwana ase omonyega bwebiruru bukumwene Samson Moses Siringi imeye wadi ya Bas Central iyo kutoka imeye bunge ya Bobasi county ya Kisii nigo uyo kabero muwaziri bw'ekisemi umusikia Ezekiel Ombaki Machogu boigo okoliye kerugo ky'obugavana imeye county ya Kisii abolirie omugusi wetanga kurwa ase chisegi na gukwana neriogielimo buna omugusi
ndege tokoteba abantu bandi ntobabasi nkeringa leroiga mwegweta mwana bategoro mwegweta mumuruite tuwasenge ntunga naransama ya matiani mwegwete ntotaka gusiyita bana muneria usina batebinge getoke tomore omurembe ase kinyumba kyonsi kya gusi naende ntogo taka buchinga na muneri ati tutaka buchinga na muneri nali gutaka bogaka babo ba seito bobas abandi na ba seito bobas abamura ba seito bobas batwaro musimamo bateba seke boterega neke takite bento batanga nekebe ndogo tabanga nekebe Jesse kiri machugumba kina batebiga nteko moiga abantu bamintu babasi ndigeri leo tele tano mutinyo sitatara tano mutinyo karenga iga ali gusia sekaruete Kisii county yatwara bagetutu yatwara babasi yatwara bagirango yatwara bamachoge yatwara banchari yatwara pamoja bali yaba yatwara naba nariba intu twakira munainde sabu tugwa kaneyo wakonye county nturiko genda ngano muntu ne county toko mwanjire tokonye county mwanjire toko numano itomatiani ninde mete naende keroko genda ndansu basi na genda masisi akiriso gure muntu akatakorete seri mutagenda masisi matalo ganya mache umuntu akatakorete seri asema chawale moko matatea tingo tara no bali mwana numubate obusi nintwara no nintara no bwoba
okugani nkoraroro gwoko bwaterana amana babwatani ao eri gosiria obutaka ase bwabere bokoenekiwa na gukina ase birengo bigoro muno anene ase masomo ase okobainse imekurwa ase bunge ya Kitutu Church North ayunkorengana no mwanasiasa wakili Joshua Nyarenchi chinga kichogo sanga na baliki bamangana ase skuru yoborusu ya magena ime ye wodi ya sensi gukona chinga kieche chuboigo nigo abeire gagotebabuna nerebia okubwaterana kwanekiwa elikwanekibuna aborokiwa bali bakorwa ase chinka chintaka nkwenyorera bali amasomo abo elikwegendereria ase amagimabo alebusya omurikito Daniel Ontiri na Robert Yorua asogwikirano
Ukwana ase wode ya sensi me Kitutu Church North ase county ya Kisii ase skoro iboroso ya magena chinga kichiko bwato kobokonyi wechi uniform asa warkigwa gwetani chimisato na monokoro ase chamate chokonyora wense Nyarenchi niga ichanire ubulemerwa burase chinka na mono chinga kichiga ligoririo bogima ligenderete gukina oteba wetera ase kubwaterana guka nario burasirigwe
program neje sababu tokonya koranga linge tutakete kusira abana bayi tomenyetega skuru chinyinga abana bagwa uniform abana bakoje skuru bari bosa gendera bosyo twatebire kana nento bwati skuru chinyinge skuru ya kituri toja kuri uniform ngotokoti no nyenkio nganyo ni skuru chinyinge echite chitubwati similar programs choko support abana baito simply because we want to support this our young people because they are the leaders of tomorrow.
Aso mwiga wiwe karanwa na barai ao na babwatani bechisemi nigachinga kecho amentabuna abaraki bobono mbachi kukina kemasomo
abana baito menyete abaiboli aboro chine batari kwenyara abana abago chinka banyoranga no ndagira ya lunch baira na barenchara mwana utakotegerera kende na inde banyorana na baboli asabachi lokale kona barera abana baito nyemba bwati amasingira amaya chi uniform mbagwati bagasome bitabu abari mbali motivated obviously na bakonyoranga amasomo na bago chance
asense mwende abaiboli beskuru niko bagokera egetambo kereke bamuteba Nyarenchi kubo mostali obosyo ase kirenga kya masomo igase county ya Kisii
egia okorire gente kene utanya korora abana bito barabire babweneire nande to wakambu yemono ekera abana bito barabire na masomo naro bakoromokia bari bakoromokia asokomekia abana bito babe chitaji ino kurwase skuru ya magena primary
umwana gatabwati uniform igagusoka gwikaranse class imasa abana bande nande nigakorora obusoku none ekero mwalimu akobaikara stariko gano orokasa abana bande igagusoka igeta keiro omwana abo musabiane na mono abana abanyaroka gako no gusoka nyankuru magega cyanga chikwara kuru gako no kubwata none eretariko musubule gosoma igako barani agutwara obwo bana karo mungaini ntegendo nararire twagokire none omwana oyu gwikatwara obusubura sogosoma nande gwikatwara ubusubole agendera guchimutu akora amaya guchimutu Nyarenchi akorira amaya asa abana batari kwenyarane na mono urabiri abana kurwe koroto uniform na ne socks
abana bale nkora abanda abayibuli batari kwenyara abandi batabwati abayibuli bagutara busa batabwati chianga nakikiagarire ngira nelimbi yamona somugambi Nyarenchi nande namanyire nga Nyasaye nagendera ko bagagusesenia elinde togendera ko basobwamo nande tubwaterane kuchimutuga igano okora amanene
nkurubaterega taseni kyagetembe literane ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri
na kurwa sekeunga chigosori che sub county ya Kisii chinyinge chiabo nigo chiakura chinkoyo chiabo litukulia lero asebono omurikito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara abereka gutwaliganiria roboti rwa senchira yobwikiranu na chigosori echu chabere chigokorekana na bigo munachiakura amamirani abo litukulia lero
Eskuru ya baiseke ya Our Lady of Lourdes Nyabururu nabo abanyangongo korwa sub county ya Kitutu South Nigo banyaita etimu ya sukuru ya baiseke ya St Clair kioge chigori ibere aserigena liesagero Abarimu banyabururu nigo bagokigwa mono ase okobwa kogenderera goche ase county level
Makori Brian, teacher at Nyabururu Girls. We've emerged victorious, being in the final at the sub-county level. Now these girls have been doing this for a period of time, And actually this is the first time over the last 3 years that we managed to proceed to the counties, and we are very happy actually. Yes, so we'll be moving forward, and it will be all about it is all about resilience, proper training, and so much about it.
We are actually happy because we emerged to be the winners direct to counties. We have played games and we have clean sheets, so we have not been defeated in any game and we have not been scored any game. Actually we are happy, and let's meet in counties level. Hello!
Abagosoria na baraboti batigiri magega no mogoko.
And actually, I'm the goalkeeper for the school football team. I'm very happy. My defenders were very powerful actually.
First of all, I'd like to thank the school principal, Madam Joyce Orioki. Thank you for everything that you've done for us. To my football team players, yes, without them, we couldn't be here.
Na ase engoyo yakanyerere mono egatiye sukuru ya Cardinal Tunga Mosocho amo na St Joseph Mungicha nigo yaera ase ongicha yanyita Mosocho egorie yemo ase bosa
yake hiyo itafunga
no nya Mosocho yabake goitwa nigo chonsi chirachi kosuka bosio ase chikosoli cha county level. Omwalimu na inde coach Ongicha nigo arero bware bwe sukuru ya Rure.
Tumecheza finals mingi. In fact for the last 4 years Onginja imecheza final ya Kisii County 4 times na imeenda regionals twice. So hata kama hawajafunga mabao mingi, actually wameconcede tu bao moja from zonals mpaka sub county final, na hiyo ilikuwa against Cardinal na ilikuwa tu mistake ya defenders kidogo, na tulirectify. Tulijua tu atatuingilia na pressure na tunajua fenye tunaicontain. I'm happy the boys have won, now they are the Kitutu Central Champions. Tunaenda na Cardinal County, tutashirikiana pamoja kama mandugu tubebe kikombe ya county.
So regional lazima tuende. Trophy ya Kisii ni yetu, si ndio defending champion, si tunaweza.
Na ndio mwaka wangu ya mwisho na mimi nimeamua nachukua shule regionals yote.
Mimi ni trainer wa timu ya soka Ongicha. Kwa hakika game ya leo haikuwa rahisi vile. Opponent pia walikuwa wamejipanga. Kama jana tulicheza nao, so tulikuwa tumekuja at least hiyo jina yetu pia siende ati tumebebwa na kadi tuende huko. At least ndo tuwabebe.
Ase sub county ya Kisii Central engoyo egatia Nyanjwa Boys amo na St Paul Amasago nigo yabake gotenena. Kulipotera Gatembe njegwa Cliff Tyson Manyara.
Mwanchumu ligereria nara yikorwa ase kiunga chiensa ibere korende tumerane nande ase kagetarie gitambe kera tugochugusanga amono mubunge bwe bunge ya Nyaribari Chachi musikiza Hirjanda elio tochikwerera mange ayogendete kwenekiwa korwa ase chinsemo chia siasa korwa ensi ya Kenya lirobalia gusi goika ase bunge ya Nyaribari Chachi gende gutwara oboligereri borobia ncheni gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Magakanito, injo rembe, injo dorome, manana mati, pangina ninjo.
Aba machoge murabu. Otire bwata mono enyagenke incherere. Otire bwata mono. Bwata mono kabisa otire enyagenke incherere. Kabantu bagachiro usene seki. Kosenge to bachikolgia. Oyo mutire Yo muhabanyagenke mahate bono batire mbali chinyomba yore yo murane yo musike aba ya musike njana kogamba nande baraba muamuti batire bara osakanya umuntu mutire ko macho ba muamuti bali kinie kiyaza muamirereti na wakuru kwa batire tubwata batire abanda bali bakaruza na mali bali abana alise bale mbaroro otire bwata mono tatenyagenke ncherere na bagotebera ningenche kabireyo na babande buki
Magakanito, injo rembe, injo dorome, manana mati, pangina ninjo.